The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Butterflies. They're all pretty and nice and fly around all day drinking nectar. They don't eat solids, so they don't defecate. But if they did, they'd probably smell like cupcakes or unicorns or some blimmin' nonsense. It's something I think about all the time.
Poo Facts. Don't swim too close to a whale. If you annoy them, they'll unleash an underwater poo-nado. That's up to 200 litres of poo stirred up by a giant whale tail. That is a serious code brown.
Who's Poos?
Look closely at these. They look like fur balls the cat coughed up, but they've got animal skeletons inside. Hyena or owl? Place your bets.
Fart facts.
Do frogs fart? Well, no one really knows. Their sphincter muscles aren't very strong, so that means the gas escaping their butts doesn't make any audible vibration. Sneaky and creepy.
Who's Poos?
Whose poos look like fur balls with skeletons inside? Trick question. They're poos, but they don't come out of a bump. Owls swallow their prey whole, but they don't have enough stomach acid to digest them properly. So they sick them back up again through their mouths. Oh, nasty business. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, close.